Are flies taking over your patio, porch, or outdoor living space? Today, I'll show you how to make a DIY natural fly deterrent using just pine essential oil and water. This non-toxic fly repellent spray is quick to make, easy to use, and helps discourage flies from gathering around common outdoor areas without relying on harsh chemical sprays. If you've been searching for how to keep flies away naturally or how to make a homemade fly repellent, this simple recipe is for you. Welcome to Desert Soul Herbary, where we create DIY natural cleaning products, homemade beauty products, and simple recipes for a healthier, more natural home. If you enjoy natural pest control, non-toxic living, and easy DIY projects, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. For today's DIY natural fly repellent, you'll only need 3 things: a clean spray bottle, water, and pine essential oil. So why use pine essential oil? Pine essential oil has a strong, fresh scent that many people use as a natural fly deterrent around patios, doorways, outdoor furniture, and other places where flies tend to gather. It's a simple alternative to anyone looking to reduce the use of conventional insect sprays around their home. Making this homemade fly repellent spray couldn't be easier. Fill your spray bottle about 3/4 full with water. Add approximately 15 drops of pine essential oil. Secure the lid and shake the bottle well before each use, since essential oils naturally separate from water. That's it. Your DIY natural fly deterrent spray is ready to use. This natural fly repellent works best when sprayed on areas where flies commonly land. Try spraying on window sills, door frames, patio furniture, outdoor tables, porch railings, garbage can exteriors, and around outdoor seating areas. There are a few important things to keep in mind. Always test the spray on a small hidden area first, especially on painted or delicate surfaces. Keep essential oils away from children and pets, and never allow them to ingest concentrated essential oils. If you're using this outdoors, avoid spraying directly onto flowering plants because essential oils may affect beneficial pollinators like bees and butterflies. And since this is a natural fly deterrent, you'll want to reapply after rain or whenever the scent begins to fade. If you'd like a stronger pine scent, you can increase the recipe to about 16 or 17 drops of pine essential oil. If you prefer a lighter scent, simply reduce it to around 10 to 12 drops. For best results, keep outdoor garbage bins clean, remove standing water, and wipe down outdoor dining areas regularly. Combining good sanitation with a natural fly deterrent can help make your outdoor spaces less attractive to flies. One of my favorite things about making DIY natural household products is knowing exactly what's in them. This simple recipe is inexpensive, takes less than 2 minutes to make, and is a great addition to your natural home care routine. If you're working toward a more non-toxic home, every small change can make a difference. If you found this DIY natural fly deterrent helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What pests would you like to learn how to naturally deter next? Mosquitoes? Ants? Spiders? Gnats? Or something else? Your suggestions help shape future videos for this channel. And if you enjoy learning how to make DIY natural cleaning products, natural pest control recipes, and homemade beauty products, be sure to subscribe to Desert Soul Herbary and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this DIY natural fly repellent spray with pine essential oil helps you enjoy your outdoor spaces a little more naturally. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.